Chinese-Ethiopian relationship, both diplomatically, economically, is growing Chinese language. So it would definitely expand, and that expansion would support social interaction, economic exchange, and businesses, and also may also encourage Ethiopians to travel to Chinese and Chinese to come to Ethiopia, so that the relationship grows.
Confucius Institute has become one of the most vibrant institute in our college, because the way they teach students and their relationship with the student and job market for the student is another thing that initiated us or forced us to start the MA program.